I am a total skeptic when it comes to a lot of skincare devices that are being ranted and raved about online. I don't trust a lot of people's recommendations at times, although there's one person who I do take more seriously, and that is Wayne Goss. And he was talking about a product a while back called the ZIIP Halo, and he was so excited about it and talking about how he feels like it's really made an improvement in his skin and actually lessened the wrinkles around his eyes. So that got me intrigued, and I ended up receiving this product in PR recently with absolutely no expectations to post anything. I just wanted to give it a go and try it out. And so today I have my very first impressions of it. If you haven't heard of the ZIIP Halo, it's a handheld device that uses microcurrent and what they call nanocurrent, really low-level electrical currents, to tone facial muscles, stimulate collagen, and improve circulation. It's also supposed to help your skincare absorb deeper. You use it with their conductive gels, and there's an app with guided treatments. The device retails for around $400, which now includes 3 of their best-selling gels. For anyone thinking of using this, it's important to have realistic expectations because you're not going to get a facelift from a handheld device, and the research on at-home microcurrent for anti-aging is still emerging, but I'm personally really open to trying it and seeing what it can actually do, especially over time. And my experience with it kind of surprised me. I didn't really have any expectations at all going into it. Basically, I took out the device and I followed the treatment, which is available in their app, and it took 4 minutes. And after doing this, as I was doing it actually on my forehead, I could feel tingling on my scalp, but it was very, very subtle. And that's the only time I felt anything. Otherwise, I just noticed that the gel that I applied to my face was very moisturizing and had really, really great ingredients. So it was very thick and hydrating. A lot of the thickness of it was probably from the glycerin. And so I did this treatment. I noticed that the metal parts on the device were a bit warm as I was doing the treatment and going along my face. And I also noticed that my skin was really well hydrated from this. It was great. And this was just a very, very relaxing experience to the point where after it was done, I did another 4-minute treatment just on my own as I was watching a video. So what kind of surprised me afterwards, and some of you have seen videos where you can noticeably see that part of their face is more lifted. I noticed that, and I actually still notice it right now. You may not be able to tell because my eyebrows are already very naturally high, but I feel like they're a little bit higher than normal. And I know some of these effects may be transient. Some people say that if you do these treatments over the long term, you could see more long-term results. Truthfully though, we can't fix what's going on beneath the surface of the skin to the point where we're having bone loss as we're aging. There's certain things that we can't touch, but I think with a device like this, it's using microcurrent to stimulate the muscle, to strengthen your muscles. I really like that concept because it's doing the opposite of Botox. So I kind of love that. I would rather strengthen my muscles than deaden them and lessen their strength and make them more lax. To me, that would create skin laxity, but I don't know. Everybody's experiences are different. So today is day 2 of me testing out the ZIIP Halo device. I've learned a lot through different skincare experiments over the years, and one thing I know is very important is to have an increase in blood flow. A lot of people know that from when you're trying to improve hair growth, along the hairline, if you've lost some hair, improving blood flow is a really important thing. And that's one of the features of using the ZIIP Halo that I've noticed and that I really appreciate because my skin just seems different today after doing this treatment. And today I ended up doing one of their strongest treatments on the app. I think it's important if you get the device, you can do whatever you want with it, but you can do actually stronger treatments when it syncs up with the app to change the settings for you. And I found that to be really helpful today. And I ended up doing 2 treatments back to back because I found it very relaxing. And also you're using these gel serums that are pretty pricey. So I don't want to do like a quick 2-minute treatment. I want to do a longer one and really get a lot out of it. What I've noticed today is that my skin is unbelievably, incredibly soft, plump, hydrated, and smooth after doing this. And I noticed it yesterday, but it was even more prominent today for some reason. And I did use a different gel today than yesterday. I'll put the one on the screen that I used. It was the golden one. And it has a lot of peptides in it, which I absolutely love. The thing is, the gels are very thick or viscous inconsistency and your skin is going to look very shiny, very, very hydrated. I'm assuming it's formulated in a way so that it kind of lays on top of the skin so you can do a long treatment without having to reapply. And for that reason, it's very, very useful. But after the treatment's done, I want to continue to get the benefits of it. So some of it rubs in and some of it is a little bit more tricky to rub in. So I wiped off the excess and I put it on my arms. And then I took my moisturizer and blended it in on top of it. And that's basically all I did. And my skin is so, so unbelievably soft. And you guys, I've done peels for a long time. And when you do something like a glycolic peel, your skin is going to be baby soft, smooth afterwards. But this is taking it to like a whole different level of softness that I am unfamiliar with. And I think as you get older, for many people, not everyone, their skin gets drier. That's the case for me anyway. And when my skin is drier, it makes any lines and wrinkles and stuff look more pronounced. When it's more hydrated and you're in humid weather and you don't have any dryness going on, it looks more youthful and plump. And that's exactly what I've been experiencing today after doing this treatment. I am wearing a little tiny bit of makeup right now, but for the most part, this is what my skin looks like about an hour after doing the treatment that I did today. And I'm just not used to my skin feeling this hydrated. So I'm really, really loving it. And so far, I really like this device and what it's doing. I don't know what's going to happen over time and if it makes any noticeable change to you watching me, but for me, I am noticing that I really like having this time in the morning to do this treatment and to increase blood flow, to massage my skin, to do lymphatic drainage. I have sinus problems, and doing that treatment is actually very helpful around this area of my face. And so I'm finding a lot of different benefits. I personally am already just like a huge fan of using this. And I'm really surprised to say that because many years ago, I actually bought a small handheld device that was similar to this. And you guys, I just never used it and it just disappeared. I might have thrown it out and it wasn't cheap either, but it was within the last 8 years. I can't recall the details of it exactly, but it had the same concept. And I saw like raving reviews about how it lifted the skin and stuff. And I guess for me, I'm not even as interested in that. I am interested in the fact that it helps stimulate your muscles and maybe improves your muscles on your face. But I am not expecting like drastic, massive changes because, like I mentioned, we can't fix what's going on underneath the skin as we're aging and we're losing some bone over time. But we can still try to do our best to improve the health of our skin and its radiance and the moisture levels. And there's just a lot that we can do to just improve the health of our skin, even though obviously we can't change the underlying mechanisms and changes with bone loss over time. So anyhow, I am really enjoying using this so far, and it's only been 2 days, but I'm obviously a fan because I'm on here recording this right away. I wanted to share this with you guys. If anybody has used it and you have any experiences, good or bad, I would love to hear that down below in the comment section. And I ended up getting a discount code, which I'm going to put down below. It's Life DIY for 10% off. Thank you guys so much for watching and take care.